Y'all niggas high as hell in this bitch, boy. Niggas good, man. Y'all was good, man. Wake up, man. Hey, YouTube. Hey, man, welcome back. You feel me? Niggas done wrecked. Niggas done wrecked out over this bitch, yo. But it's some real life GTA shit. It's some real life GTA shit. It's some real life GTA shit, boys. Hey man, say man, that boy don't want no smoke with me, man. That boy don't want no smoke with me, man. Hey, got me around every inch of this trip. Downtown. I'm going another charter right now. Things outside. Yeah, it's probably a little windy, boy. I don't know if y'all can hear that bird for real, but oh shit. Somebody put the engine up on this bitch. Put them brimbos on this bitch. Finna put them brimbo motherfuckers on this bitch. Oh God. Hey man, hey man. I'll see what I'm smacking on. Some hot chip motherfuckers, man.
You got the bad upside down.
That motherfucking spicy.
Go.
That shit, man. I'm about to spin bin. Let me spin. Y'all see the federal courthouse over that bit? Hey man, say man. Make sure y'all boys subscribe. Not deal with my camera. I'm driving good. I'm driving a bit right. Y'all can really hear this bit.
That water look good.
So that scat motherfucker right on.
What?
Right on. Missed it. Ooh, that bitch clean.
Damn, I missed that bitch.
That bitch hard right there.
Downtown Jacksonville.
What's going on out there, bitch?
What's going down? Why so many people out there, bitch?
I'm saying.
It's like they go on the riverside.
Motherfucking scat right up. Scat motherfucker. Ooh. That boy come trimming the scatty on him. That boy don't want to race though. That boy don't want to line that shit up.
Don't got the 10 on it.
That boy don't want to line that shit up, man. Not POV drive in the city. Y'all probably getting straight wind right now. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit. I got them J's. Yeah, man. I got them J's, boy. Are they in there? Hello! Hey, bro, wake your sleepy ass up, boy.
Fuck that. I want to drive through.
Hey, man, say, damn, got that bitch in my mouth. Huh? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Back to the driving. You hear me? We got your own life, man. Hey, you scared? Get off the road. Yeah. Outside like that.
Well, look like Miami right now.
Feel me? Lil Tony just dropped that album. Make sure y'all boy tap in. Y'all go get that Lil Tony, man. Go listen to that trot, man. Lil Tony just dropped today. Y'all go listen to that, man. For real, no cap, man. We outside. Like day. Go to Rip. But damn, bro. You gotta go to Riverside, bro. See what Riverside is, no?
You talking about, bro? Damn.
Alright.
You gotta see it.
Man, you know we about to go to Riverside right now, bro. Damn, nigga. We are trying to get the bitches, bro. Don't even worry about it. What? What? Hey, what you said? Okay. Hold on. What she said? What she said? I don't know what she said. We outside though. Right there. We out there, man. Let me stop at the light. It's my turn. When I take off on that phone, shit like it ain't nothing. That look like them shades right there too. Like an undercover, boy. That nigga St. John, right? Y'all can see popping it downtown. Oh shit.
Well, that's a wide body limo.
This is some GTA shit out this bitch.
That's scat motherfucker. Boy, that's that scat motherfucker.
Man, people coming and shit. Hope I don't wreck this bitch. Oh shit.
Keep right.
Like something going on out of this bitch. That's where we at. Florida Blues. Go there. That's where we at right now. Y'all know it's
That
real.
boy got a wide body Coggin.
A wide body what?
CogginAuto.com.
Y'all know
Get your car today.
Y'all know exactly where this at. You feel me? If you're from Jacksonville, you know exactly where I'm at right now. I'm talking about Florida Blues. What you just let the window down for?
Way cold. Sleep your ass
Nobody sleep. About that gas.
up. There
I'm Zooty.
go security. 12. Security. All book.
Oh boys out here on them scooters. Yeah, Bobby on right day.
That boy Tyler and James on the scooters. I don't know who the fuck them is.
Mark and Trevor. Mark and Trevor, I know you're watching this. Get off those scooters.
I go 8 beat on my shit like King Kong. Chopper hit a nigga house, doorbell ring like ding dong. Yeah, lately I've been running from my demons. Take a flick, put drip all in they face so they can see it. Yeah, if I speak on shit I seen or did, they won't.